And viewers, as we move on to the world of sports, in fact, for all those cricket lovers out there and the entire country at this point, it is the high voltage T20 World Cup final today that we're all looking forward to. India is to face the Kiwis in the T20 World Cup final in Ahmedabad tonight. The reigning champions, India, is eyeing to retain the very World Cup that they won in 2024. Meanwhile, the Kiwis will be looking to win their first ever T20 World Cup at the same time. It's, however, a festive fervor across the nation as fans perform puja for the victory of the men in blue. A special train has in fact been ferrying fans from Delhi to Ahmedabad for the finals. And while the odds are heavily stacked in India's favour, there are a couple of pain points that India will have to look after. And out of form, Abhishek Sharma and Varun Chakravarti, whose form dipped towards the business end of the World Cup. Now, Abhishek Sharma himself scored 89 runs in the entirety of the T20 World Cup so far, and he is our star opener. Well, he scored 3 consecutive ducks in the World Cup and has a meager average of 12.71 in 7 matches. Scored 1 solitary knockoff, 55 runs. Now, Varun Chakravarti, although, is the joint highest wicket taker, but his form has also dipped this season. He's just picked 4 wickets from a Group 8 stage. Econ rate ballooned to 11.6 from 5.2. He bowled his most expensive spell, 1-64 in the semis. So this is what we're looking at. It is a big match that we have our eyes on tonight. And before that, let's quickly listen into all the reactions that have been coming in before the match begins. And we're being joined by Siddharth Vishwanathan, who is, in fact, in Ahmedabad as we speak. And there's a host of fans we see around him as he's joining us. Siddharth, just to begin with, how is the fervor there? I'm sure people are already excited. But I will also want you to throw some light with regards to what does the pre-match weather look like in Ahmedabad? And when I say weather, I mean the challenges that the team has already faced in their last match in Ahmedabad. How are the men in blue today preparing to overcome those in this very crucial final match?
See, as far as the fervor is concerned, we are still a good 4 hours away, 3 hours away from the match to begin. But there are thousands and thousands who are just steaming in to the Narendra Modi Stadium. And as far as the weather is concerned, it is hot, it is humid, and you will not see any amount of rain. There will be some dew, but that will come much later on as we speak. So, at this point, everybody in this particular place has only one aim. We want India to keep the cup, which we won on June 29th. June 29th, we ended an 11-year jinx, and now on March 8th, we are going to ensure that we keep the cup with us. And the fan fervor is absolutely reaching fever pitch right here at the Narendra Modi Stadium. I'm just about 100 meters away from where the entrance is, but you can see visuals, everybody right from the entrance to here. So, this is the way we are looking at it. There is a lot of crowd, lot of enthusiasm, and there is only one thing to describe. It is incredibly fever pitch excitement at the Narendra Modi Stadium.
We can just see, and viewers, one thing is clear. If Indian cricket lovers know one thing, that is how to support their team, how to make sure and motivate the men in blue who will be out there playing the match tonight. Of course, there are a couple of challenges when we speak of this very stadium, especially what we saw in the last match that was played by India in this very stadium. Siddharth, yes, I want you to speak to a few of these fans just to understand their mood and the kind of cheer they are bringing to the table tonight.
Well, if you want to know the mood, एक ही नाम सुनाई देता है. That is India. I mean, what do you... If you want to see,
defend the title. We are going to defeat the title.
I just want to know one question for all of you. Do you see any changes been made in the Indian cricket team? And
Varun in place by Kuldeep. Kuldeep is a senior one.
I think we should not make any big changes in the final game. We should go with the same 11.
Same team, same Josh, same trophy.
okay,
Hardik is going to rock today. Hardik
Hardik's going to rock.
First batting 250 or 275.
275. Okay, but I just want to know one thing. Narendra Modi Stadium has a reputation that is not lucky for the Indian cricket team. One by one.
This time it will be lucky and we will win the World Cup. Last time whatever happened. This time we will get the World Cup. भूल जाओ इंडिया जीतेगा और इंडिया जीतेगा।
आरसीबी को भी सपोर्ट किया था, आरसीबी जीती थी और इंडिया को सपोर्ट करने आए हो। 110% इंडिया जीतेगी।
इंडिया जीतेगा। भाई साहब रोहित शर्मा ने उठाया, आप सूर्य कुमार यादव की बारी है। स्टेडियम कोई सा भी हो, जीतेगा इंडिया।
Right, so that we can absolutely understand the kind of mood that has gripped Ahmedabad and the rest of the country today. There is praise, there's cheers all across, and we will keep bringing you all the latest updates from Ahmedabad as Siddharth will continue to be with us. But viewers, and as you could hear the fans already bringing in their insights of who should be brought in and who should be retained for that final 11 who will be playing in the Narendra Modi Stadium. Let's also take you through some expert insight. A man who's played the game out there. Odds in India's favour, but there are two pain points for the men in blue. An out-of-form Abhishek Sharma and Varun Chakravarti. Former India captain and batting legend Sunil Gavaskar says drop Abhishek and Varun, bring in Rinku and Kuldeep Yadav instead. Listen in to what he had to say.
Any changes that you would make, Mr. Gavaskar, to the 11? There's been talk of Varun Chakravarti not in form. Could you bring a Kuldeep Yadav? Do you drop an Abhishek Sharma? Any changes you would make to the playing 11?
Yes, two. I'd like two changes. I'd like Rinku Singh to come in place of Abhishek Sharma. Ishan Kishan opening the batting, Rinku Singh maybe 4-5, whatever it is, according to the situation. I'd like to bring Kuldeep Yadav in place of Varun Chakravarti. Because both these players who I would leave out are really down on confidence. And in a final, I would rather have players who are not, being weighed down by the disappointing performances that they have had so far.